Good morning, my dear children. Hello, how are you? All of you are fine? Okay, so today we will continue lesson 1. Who will do this of environment, standard 5, part 4. Now, till now, look at the page. We have done till page number 8, right? This picture, from that pictures we have done these questions. And I told you in the last class to observe all these 9 pictures carefully, right? Did you observe it? Who is doing what? There are different activities in this 9 pictures, right? So let us start these activities. What they are doing, we'll just discuss it. Look at the first picture. Can you see here? Yes. In the first picture, the man is cutting a tree, right? Man is cutting a trees. Now if you look at here all these 9 pictures, some of the activities are very good, they are environment friendly, but some of the activities are bad, they are not good for environment. Okay, so just observe which are the good activities to perform for good environment and which are the activities which are not good for our environment. So look at this first picture. The man is cutting a tree, right? Now cutting the trees are very harmful for environment. Cutting trees are very harmful. Now as you know, in previous class also we have done that trees are very important part of our environment, because trees are very important for our earth. Main important part is that trees release oxygen. Trees release oxygen in the environment and take in carbon dioxide. So during the process of photosynthesis, photosynthesis is a process by which plants prepare their own food. So during that process, whatever carbon dioxide is there in the atmosphere, plants take that in and release oxygen. So whatever carbon dioxide there in the atmosphere, plants take that and release oxygen during process of photosynthesis. Next very important use of trees are that it provides us fruits, vegetables, medicinal plants also there which provides different medicines. And third important part of trees is that it helps in reducing soil erosion. It stops soil erosions. क्योंकि जो trees होते हैं वो soil को firmly bind करते हैं soil को. So if it firmly binds the soil, तो अगर रेन वाटर है या कोई पानी फोर्स से आ रहा है, then trees hold that soil firmly. उसको पानी के साथ वो soil को बहने नहीं देता है. It stops that. तो soil erosion को stop करता है. Next important part is that it helps in bringing rain. Trees का very important point is that it helps in bringing rain. आपने फील किया रहेगा कि जब आप कोई ऐसे एरिया में जाते हैं जहां पर बहुत सारे ट्रीज है, सो यू फील कूल. दैट मीन्स इट रिलीज ऑक्सीजन, सो इट कीप्स द एनवायरनमेंट कूल. एंड ऑल्सो द ट्रीज हेल्प्स इन ब्रिंगिंग रेन. सो दिस आर द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ ट्रीज. सो वी शुड नॉट कट ट्रीज. सो ट्रीज कट करेंगे तो बहुत सारे डिसएडवांटेज है एनवायरनमेंट के लिए. लुक एट द नाउ नेक्स्ट पिक्चर. सी हियर. what you see in this picture? Yes, here the vehicle is emitting harmful gas that is called as smoke. Vehicle is emitting harmful gas, and this harmful gas, it's a pollutant. When it enters in a human body, it can cause many diseases. Our lungs get damaged first, and there are many diseases which can be caused by this smoke released from vehicle, right? So again, this is polluting environment. Third picture, look at this boy. What is he doing? Yes, he is bursting cracker. I know you all like to burst crackers, but after bursting cracker, lots of smoke. So when you burst cracker, lots of smoke left behind, and thereby you are polluting air. So I know that you all like to burst crackers in Diwali or any good occasion, but it releases harmful gas in the environment and pollute air. Look at this fourth picture. What is this girl doing? Yes, she is enjoying music. But can you see here? She is using earphones. She is not disturbing others while listening. So she is not disturbing environment. She is not doing any pollution, any kind of pollution. Right? See the fifth picture. This man is taking bath of this animal in pond or river, right? But by doing this, he is polluting the water bodies. If same river water or pond water is used by human beings, then that person can fall sick by drinking or by using this kind of dirty water. Look at the sixth picture. See this child. This child is also enjoying music. But see what he is doing. With high volume he is listening the music, thereby causing noise pollution. See this girl on page number 4. She also enjoying, but she is using earphones and she is not disturbing anyone around her. And this boy is listening music, but he is creating noise pollution. You should not disturb others for your pleasure, right? Look at the 7th picture. This boy, he is throwing the garbage in the dustbin. He is collecting all the waste and throwing in the dustbin. This is the proper way of throwing the dust or any garbage, any rubbish in a proper covered dustbin. Right? This is good habit. 8th picture, look at here. Now some waste are thrown on the road on open area, right? So this can cause land pollution. It pollutes the land surrounding area. It can also pollute the air, right? This is not a good habit. See the 9th picture. Near the hand pump, can you see this? Some water is spilled. So it shows there is a wastage of water. Now this water is not of any use. So all these 9 pictures, some pictures are environment friendly and some pictures are good for us and for our environment. So based on this, I just want to explain you that there are 4 types of main pollution. Types of pollution. Number 1 is air pollution. Like we have discussed in the picture, that the vehicles are emitting harmful gases. By bursting the crackers, harmful gases are released. So thereby pollute the air. So that is air pollution. Second is water pollution. Now we have seen the picture also that animal taking bath in pond or river, thereby polluting the water. And if same water if it is used by us, then we can fall sick. Third is land pollution. If you throw all the garbages on the road or in open area, then it can cause land pollution. And the last one is the noise pollution. So you should not keep the volume very high for enjoying music. So this is 4 main types of pollution. So in this 9 pictures, we have seen the different reasons how the air gets, water gets, or how the noise is created in the atmosphere. Right? Now based on this picture, on page number 10, there are 2 questions. There are 2 questions. These questions answers you have to answer from by looking at this 9 pictures. So I'll read this first question. Which aspects in the picture of page 9 are beneficial? So what is the main point in the question is, in page number 9 there are different 9 pictures. So which pictures are beneficial for environment? कौन से पिक्चर्स ऐसे हैं जो अपने लिए अच्छे हैं, राइट? नाउ लुक एट अगेन दिस पिक्चर. सी पेज नंबर 9 पे 9 पिक्चर्स आर देयर विच आर द बेनिफिशियल, मतलब कौन से एनवायरमेंट के लिए अच्छे हैं वो पिक्चर्स. नाउ लुक एट द पेज पिक्चर नंबर 4, दिस वन, एंड पिक्चर नंबर 7, 4 and 7. See in this picture 4, a girl is seen using earphones, right? So she is not creating noise pollution. And in picture number 7, this boy is seen throwing waste in the dustbin. So he is helping in keeping the surrounding clean. See, the surroundings are clean because he is throwing all the garbage, rubbish in the dustbin. So picture number 4 and picture number 7 are environment friendly. They are beneficial for environment. They are not disturbing others. They are not disturbing the environment. Right? Now look at the second question. Which aspects in the picture of page 9 are harmful? See the question on the textbook. Harmful. Right? We have done how it is beneficial, and the next question is how it is harmful. Right? Beneficial we have seen page number 9, picture number 4 and 7. Now on same page number 9, which pictures are harmful for environment? Again look at page number 9. See, there are many pictures which harms the environment. Like this page number 1, picture number 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8 and 9. They are harmful for our environment. See in the first picture, this man is cutting trees, right? And this is harmful for the environment. As there are no trees, then we have less amount of oxygen, there will be a soil erosion, the temperature around us or in the environment will increase, right? So he is harming the environment. Second picture, see, and third picture, smoke coming out from the vehicles after bursting the cracker, whatever harmful gas released in the atmosphere, it creates air pollution, right? Now look at here, 5, he is creating what? Water pollution, yes, right? This 6 number, noise pollution, he is disturbing others and the environment, which is not good for us also to listen music at high volume. See here, in open area the garbages are thrown, then it can create a land pollution. And the last is again water pollution. If the water is spilled around in open area like that, then the mosquitoes also can breed in this water, and it can cause malaria, dengue, chikungunya, many diseases related to water we can face, right? So till now we have done all these activities based on the different pictures and activities. We have done question answers. Okay, so now next question on page number 10 is this. These 2 questions we have done, right? This question. What do you do out of these activities? Why? Note down. So what? See the 9 activities we have seen. So what do you do? What you do not do? आप क्या करोगे? आप क्या नहीं करोगे? और क्यों नहीं करोगे? Why? So see, I have written on the board first activity. Like we have seen in that picture, the boy was throwing garbage in dustbin. So I throw garbage in dustbin. This is the good habit. What you should do? I throw garbage in dustbin. You should throw garbage in dustbin. What you do not do? आपको क्या नहीं करना चाहिए? I do not throw garbage in the open. आप घर में हो, बाहर हो, स्कूल में हो, don't throw any garbage in the open. Throw always garbage in the dustbin. So why we should not throw garbage in open? Why? Because by throwing garbage in open, I make environment dirty. So you should always throw garbage in dustbin. Second, what we have learned from the from these pictures, that I grow trees. This is good. What do you do? So I grow trees, and many of you must have planted trees also, or small plants also. What you do not do? I do not cut trees. If you are growing trees, then you should not cut trees. Why you should not cut trees? Because by cutting trees, I damage the environment. Environment get damaged. Already I have explained you how the trees are useful to us. What are the advantages of trees we have done. Third, what you have learned? That I use water rationally and wisely. सूझबूझ के, समझ के, सोच समझ के हम use करेंगे water को. What you should not do? I do not waste water. So आपको पानी waste नहीं करना है. Why you should not waste water? If I waste water, then there will be water shortage. So for future generation, there will be no water left. So you should use water rationally and wisely. Don't waste it. Now same here in the second question, see. What other duties should be obeyed to preserve environment. अगर आपको environment को preserve अच्छे से रखना है सालों साल तक, then what activities, what duty you should obey. आपको कौन सी ड्यूटी फॉलो करनी है, आपको उसको अच्छे से फॉलो करनी है. तो नंबर 1, you should not throw garbage on the road. That we have done. So it keeps the environment clean. If you throw garbage in dustbin, so do not throw garbage in the open. Never spit. आपको क्या ड्यूटी फॉलो करनी है? Never spit in here and there. आपको कहाँ पे भी इधर उधर थूकना नहीं है. कोई थूक रहे तो उनको भी स्टॉप करना है. And as you know, the government has also started fining the people, those who are spitting here and there. So never spit here and there. Next important is never throw the dirty water in open area. Always pass the dirty water in a proper gutter or any covered gutter is there. In that you have to throw the dirty water. Then you should use toilet for defecating. For urine passing, for defecating, you should always use toilet. Next is never burst firecracker. I prefer never burst, or if you are bursting the firecracker, go in open place so that other people are not getting harmed. Then next is that music. You should not play music with high volume. You enjoy yourself, but never disturb other people when you are listening the music. So these are the few primary duties we should obey to keep our environment clean. So this all we have done in our lesson. Who will do this? Now it is us only that we should keep our environment clean, fresh, healthy by different activities. Now you just write down a note how you will keep the environment neat and clean. So accordingly in your notebook just write down the points. Whatever you find, the points we have discussed in the class till now, or if you may get across many other different ideas how you can keep the environment clean, just note down all the points in your notebook. So that's all for your first lesson. Who will do this? Standard 5th, chapter 1. Thank you all. Enjoy yourself.